base of the pyramid team at SD Johnson is partnering with the Mentor Initiative, which is an organization that provides healthcare and health interventions in conflict zones and during humanitarian emergencies around the world. So we have hand sanitizer that we produce here. We have a concentrate disinfectant. We have disinfecting wipes. And we have pictogram instructions so that they'll be able to understand the proper use of products. So we've had dozens of volunteers across the organization volunteering to chip in and help this happen.
I think it's a great humanitarian effort, and I'm very happy that the company does this type of thing.